Hey guys! Welcome to this episode of Yris Black Creations, and today we are going to watch how I paint this minimalistic watercolor lovebird. So, the materials that I use for this painting are Winsor&Newton Cotman watercolors. Now I really like this because it has that really smooth blend and everything just seems so cohesive together. I don't really know how to explain it, but I had a lot of fun with playing with these watercolors. And I also use Fabriano Aquarelle watercolor. It is 300 GSM and is 100% cotton, which is really great if you want to do like some wet style because it saturates, it soaks in all that watercolor. And it is also hot pressed, which gives that smooth surface texture. I like to give a big shout out to Yris Black. She's a wonderful friend that got me the paper and watercolor for my birthday gift. Thank you. And please check out her YouTube channel. She's a talented color pencil artist and I hope you do follow and subscribe to her. So if you guys like to paint along with me, I have a photo for your easy reference. It's listed down below in the video description. Or if you like the complete tutorial set, it is available on my Patreon page, which I will discuss later in this video. Now without further ado, let's move on to the time-lapse.
Doing the background was actually a lot of fun. As a person who always do realism, I just needed something to let loose, you know, and doing minimalistic is actually I would say the most fun part about it. It's like you don't care about how it all looks. You just kind of like let go. And this is what I did with the background. I just like combine two different watercolors and you just watch it spread. You don't really control where the paint goes. You just put down the colors and then you just let the water do its work and let it flow naturally. So for this part, I didn't really care where the colors go for the background. Just kind of like just let loose and just let nature do its work, sort of. I did the same with the bird. I wet the bird first and then I add in the color so the color will just go everywhere. And usually you start off with pretty light colors and then after that you just slowly move on to more saturated darker colors. So you see the bird, you'll probably be thinking, why is it so faded? Why is it so desaturated? It's because I just put like really light colors first and then I slowly build up upon that. Which is like a little bit of reverse for acrylics, because acrylics usually I would put the dark first, then only move on to light, but this one is a little bit of the opposite. So in the background I used a big brush. When I colored the bird it was a big brush, but then you can see that my brush is slowly getting smaller just to add in the little details. I'm not adding too much details, just enough for you to tell it's a bird with a beak and an eye and feathers. Even the feathers I did not go into exact detail. I just kind of do a little bit of stroke and it seems good enough. So this is a peach-faced lovebird and I like that. It has that really nice rosy cheeks that I love. Makes it look like it's putting on makeup to go out for the night. So surprisingly, this Winsor&Newton watercolor set does not have the color black. Now I find that to be a very interesting challenge to not use black at all. So I use like really dark colors, like really dark brown or really dark viridian, and just adding that darkness kind of makes it pop just a little more. That's why you always have to balance the contrast out. If it's too bright, it's not going to be very eye-catching. If it's too dark, then it's really hard to like it. So to have a good balance is good.
Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. And if you think this can be helpful to other artists as well, please feel free to share it and spread the love. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can head over to my Patreon page, which also has the complete tutorial for this bird. It has different tiers, but the most comprehensive has the full recording along with voiceover, reference photo, the types of brushes I use, and the specific color of the Winsor&Newton color palette that I use. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I'll see you in the next one. I'm not sure when that will be. I know I've been really busy with all the with a lot of work. I haven't been able to release videos on a regular basis, but I will try my best. Or else you can check me out on live streams, which is on Friday, 8 p.m. Time zone GMT plus 8 hours. Hope to see you then, and have a good one, guys. Ciao.